Experiencing problems tracking your Tesco Mobile SIM card or device delivery? You're not alone. Common issues include broken courier links, invalid reference numbers, and unexpected delays. These problems often arise from integrations with courier services like Royal Mail, DPD, and Parcel Force. First, check if the tracking link in your order confirmation email is working. If not, it could be due to browser compatibility issues, especially with Safari or older Chrome versions. High traffic periods, like Black Friday, can also cause these link failures. For reference number errors, where you get an order not found message, this often happens when orders are rerouted between couriers. Finally, delivery delays can occur due to supply chain issues, Brexit-related customs, or increased e-commerce demand. The average delivery time has increased to 3 to 5 days. Let's troubleshoot those tracking issues. First, clear your browser cache and disable any extensions, particularly ad blockers or VPNs, as they can interfere with the courier link. A reliable alternative is to use the Tesco Mobile app for tracking, which bypasses link problems and offers real-time updates via push notifications. If the link still doesn't work, contact Tesco Mobile support with your order details. They can manually update your order status or escalate the issue to the courier. For ref number errors, double-check that you're using the correct Tesco order ID. If issues persist, consider that Tesco's system might be experiencing data sync lags with the couriers. As a last resort, you can try calling the support team. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to get your delivery back on track.